Yes, ma'am.
I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Just a second.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah. So I'll share my screen with you now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Did we start building with the Pong game?
Yes, ma'am. A blank teacher activity.
Okay. So this is an online editor called as workspace area. And this empty area
Yes, ma'am.
is called as window preview. You can see the output of the code here. And these buttons
Yes,
are
ma'am.
for running the program. Okay. Then there's a
Yes, ma'am.
settings button to change the settings. Yes. Now tell me what would create canvas instruction mean? Now we are going to build the Pong game. Do you remember the Pong game or shall I show you once?
Yes, ma'am. I remember, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me what would create canvas mean?
Uh, we were increasing and decreasing the numbers, ma'am.
No. First we created the area. We created a canvas.
Yeah, play button.
Yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
created the canvas. Now this dotted area is called as a canvas area which has length 400 and width 400, right?
I, 400.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And inside this, the box, we got it from the rect instruction. We wrote this.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what we were trying to do, we were checking what values are for what. Now, when I decrease the first value and run, what happens?
It changes position.
Yes, it moves towards left. Now, when I increase it and run, what happens?
It goes to the right side.
Yes, so that means it is moving along horizontal direction, that is along the x-axis. So the first value
ma'am.
is the x position. Okay, and let's do the same for the next value and see. Yes, what can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it goes upwards. Now when I increase it, it will move downwards. That means it is moving
ma'am.
along vertical direction, that is along the y-axis. So the next position is for the y position. Okay. Now let's come to the third value. I'm going to decrease it. Yeah, now tell me.
It has changed its size.
Yes, so its width has reduced, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll keep the third value as it is and I'm going to decrease the last value. Yes, what can you see?
The height is
Very
decreased,
good.
ma'am.
Its height has reduced. Now, sometimes what happens, we get confused in X and Y position. So what do we use? We use a text command, and inside the text, I'm going to give a string, say Pong game, and I'll give positions. Now what will it do? It will give a string of Pong game, 200 along the axis, and
Yes,
20
ma'am.
means at a distance of 20 from the y-axis. Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this command is basically for placing the x and y position, nothing else. Okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now will you design the game yourself? The Pong game.
Yes.
Good. I'll guide
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
All right. Did we reach here? Till here?
Till here only
Did
we
we
have reached,
start?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Did you start
Yes, ma'am.
building?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. That's fine.
Yes.
I'll share my screen.
See at the bottom there's an option. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Now open your chat box. I'm sharing you an email address. Just copy it.
Ma'am, what is Gmail ID, ma'am?
See, I shared you in the chat box. Copy that.
Okay, ma'am. Copied.
Yeah. Now on your right side, click on student activity number 6.
Right side.
Yeah, number 6 activity. Scroll down.
Okay. Number 6. Okay, ma'am.
Number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see towards your top right corner there's a login option.
What, ma'am?
Top right corner. See on your
Okay.
top
Settings.
right corner there's a login option. No, login.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, log.
Yes, click that. Paste the
Paste, ma'am.
address.
Sorry.
Yeah, paste.
Okay. This one. Yes, ma'am.
Paste
Yes, ma'am.
and oh, did you
Yes, ma'am. Paste, ma'am.
write the password?
No, ma'am.
The password is 123456.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah,
6.
login.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Never. Yes. Run your code.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, this one.
Yeah.
It's too slow, yeah.
Wait for it. It will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it showing to you?
No, ma'am.
It's getting loaded. Run again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, I want you to make that square look into a rectangular paddle.
Rectangular parallel, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Rectangular
Uncle, do you have a
parallel.
YouTube channel there?
What, ma'am?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I post some videos,
What kind of videos?
like some media or news, or how to download a something, how to download a song or movie, like that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That means you provide information. Since when are you up to this?
Might be from 6 months, ma'am. 6 months before.
Okay. And how is it working? How is it working? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. It's working little bit nicely, ma'am.
How is it working, I asked?
Monetization. It's working very good, ma'am.
Yeah,
I have applied for
pardon?
monetization also for that. For monetization also, I have
Okay.
applied, ma'am. But due to this
Oh,
lockdown, so I'm not
that's
receiving some videos, ma'am.
good. Okay, your work has been put on hold, that means.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Where were we?
So the
Try to make
rectangular.
that box look into
A
a...
what I'll do? Rectangular.
Change the third value, the width. You'll change the width.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Might be too thin.
Okay, more thinner.
More thinner.
Yeah, make it 10.
Yes.
Make
10.
it 10, 10.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, now it's fine. Now shift it towards extreme right. Which value will you change?
This one, ma'am.
Which one? The second one.
Second one, ma'am.
You'll change the X position. We need to shift towards right.
So might be this.
You'll change the X position. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then which one is the X position?
The last one, ma'am.
No, it's the height.
No.
It's the height. Keep it 100. The first one is the X position. Weren't you paying attention when I was explaining to you, Abdul?
I was there, ma'am, but due to that internet connection, I can't hear, ma'am.
Okay, so listen, the first position is the X position. The second one is the Y position. The third one is for the width. And the last one is for the height. Now you get it?
Height. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
First one
Yes.
is for X, second one
Yes.
is a Y, and third one is for width, and
Good.
last one is for height.
Now shift it towards extreme
Okay.
right.
Mm, extreme.
Okay. Yeah.
Little
Make
bit.
it 390. 90. Yeah.
Ah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, there you have it. Now shift it a bit upwards.
Upwards. It's the Y axis.
Yes, very good. Change so that it comes in the middle.
The Y X axis I have to keep it in the middle, ma'am.
No, the Y. Try 160. It will go down.
160 after
Yes, now it's in the middle. Now we have the player
Yes,
paddle.
ma'am.
Tell me, how will you get the computer paddle?
Again, we have to create one canvas, ma'am.
Very good.
The
No,
rectangle,
not the
rectangle, sir.
not the canvas.
Yeah.
Yes, rect instruction. Write it again.
Rectangle. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Now this time we want it towards left.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what value will be X?
So, once 160.
Try giving 160. We'll change it afterwards then.
Okay.
And we want both the values to be at the same level. Listen, you click on auto fresh. There's auto refresh written on the top. See? Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we want the same level. So what will be your Y?
300, ma'am.
No, at the same level you want, no? So it will be 160.
So 150.
160 only.
Okay, ma'am.
160.
Oh, sorry, 160.
Yeah. Now what will be the dimensions?
10 and 100, I'll keep
Yeah.
it, ma'am.
Okay, move it towards the extreme left.
Extreme left. 'Kay. 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 '
Yes, more.
More. The 10 million.
0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what's missing?
The paddle, ma'am.
No.
Sorry, the center one. Box,
Yes, the
box,
ping pong
box.
ball is missing, right? How will you get
Yeah,
it?
ma'am. Circle after, right, ma'am, instead of
No,
rectangle.
the ping pong ball was of square shape in the game.
So square, I have to write it.
No, you'll use the same rect instruction with different dimensions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Different dimension.
And tell me, where was the ball positioned in the game?
The center,
Yes.
ma'am.
So how will you get the center?
After the
Can you
dimensions,
see
ma'am.
the canvas is of 400? So
Yes, ma'am.
to get the ball in the middle, what value will it be?
200,
Yes.
ma'am.
Try 200 and 200.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. It's a square. It's a square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All sides of a square are what?
So it was a square. Now it is a rectangular parallel, ma'am. I have to change it.
Yes. I'm asking all sides of a square are what? What is the property? All
Can you
sides.
repeat, ma'am?
I'm asking the property of a square. All sides of the square are?
Equal.
Yes. Then how can you put 10 and 100 for a square?
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
so big ping pong ball you want?
it's still bit more. Okay, I'll keep it at 80.
Still so big. Keep it 10. It's
Okay, ma'am.
looking like a jumbo box shifting here and there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Enough,
now
ma'am?
it looks like a ball. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me, how will you play the game? How will you give the movements?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay. So you remember in the Pong game, the player paddle was moving with the mouse. You remember, or shall I
Yes, ma'am.
show you?
I remember, ma'am. I'll try my best again.
Okay. So it was moving with mouse. Do
Yes, ma'am.
you want to see it, or shall I continue?
No, ma'am. Can I see once, ma'am?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See it once. See, go to number
Okay, ma'am.
4. Number 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
the player paddle was moving with the help of mouse. The ball is moving automatically, and the computer paddle is also
Yes, ma'am.
moving automatically. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come back. Come back to the
Okay,
editor.
ma'am. Eh, no. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Every object has two positions. The mouse also has two
I have to
positions.
write, ma'am.
No, I'm explaining you. The mouse also
Okay,
has, yeah, the mouse also has two positions, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. All right?
my coordinator.
Yes. So what we will do, we will store the y coordinate of the mouse inside the paddle. Why? Because it was moving along with the mouse. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So come to line number 9. Tell me
Okay.
which is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
y position of the paddle in that. Yes,
160.
delete it.
Okay.
Right mouse, capital Y.
Mouse. Okay. mouse,
Yes.
capital Y.
Now try moving. Go to the output. Try moving with the mouse. It's already done.
Yes, ma'am.
What's happening?
When I scroll, it's moving,
Yes,
ma'am.
it's moving, but it's leaving traces behind. Is it it?
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Now come to your workspace area. What we have done is that we have used a variable called as mouse y. Now, what is a
Why?
variable? A variable is a piece of memory which stores values. Here, mouse y is storing the y position of the mouse. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's what about the variable. Now, to delete those traces, we will paint the background. Come to line number 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Type background. Background. Open the brackets.
Yes, ma'am. Hmm.
Put inverted commas. Yeah,
Yes,
give
ma'am.
your favorite color.
Color. What? Okay, I'll write black only. Okay,
Okay.
black. Uh,
Complete your instruction. Close the inverted commas. Close the
okay.
bracket. Okay. Done. Yes, try moving.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Is it moving smoothly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's about the movement of the paddle. Now can you try moving the ball?
No, ma'am.
No?
Okay. I can't, ma'am. Since I'm stoning, it's not moving.
Yeah, because it moves automatically in the game. So you need to
Yeah.
make it move automatically. So what you'll do, now
Yes.
we will create a variable this time. Okay? Go to line number
Okay.
6. Type VAR.
Okay. What, ma'am?
VAR
Okay.
space
Yes.
POS POS
P
S
O S.
capital
Okay.
X
Capital
equal to
X
200.
equal to, sorry, 200.
Yes.
Okay.
Now what we have done, we have created a variable whose name is POSX and
Yeah. Position
position
X.
X, and VAR is the
Yeah.
keyword for variable. Okay. Now what I yes
Variable.
for variable, and what I told you,
Yes.
variable stores values, right? So we have given 200 value
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
variable. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now come to
Yes, ma'am.
the rect instruction of the ball,
Okay.
which is its X position. Tell me,
The left side one. This one.
where are you? No, I said come to the rect instruction of the ball in your workspace area.
Okay.
Yes,
The
ball.
Yeah. This
Yes,
one.
which one is its X position? Delete
200.
it.
Okay.
Write cos X.
What, ma'am?
Write the variable name cos X.
Cos X.
Yes. Now is it moving? Is your ball moving?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Why? Because the position is fixed. 200 is fixed. Okay. So to
Yes,
make the
ma'am.
ball move, we need to keep changing the value. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So come
Yes, ma'am.
to line number 10 and press enter.
Line number 10 and
Enter.
press enter.
Write cos x
Cos
equal
X
to cos x plus 1.
equal to cos X plus 1. Okay.
1, 1. Yeah. Is it moving now?
Yeah, it's moving on.
Yeah. So what we did?
Yes, ma'am.
We incremented the value. Yes? By adding plus
Yes, ma'am.
1. So it's moving.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, if I want to move it diagonally, what will you do?
Cos Y, ma'am.
Yeah, cos y. Can you create yourself now? Can you create the cos y variable?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Show me how will you
Right.
create. Create and show.
Okay. At which number we have to write, ma'am? Variable pos y. Only the thing.
Where you have read.
7.
Yeah, you can write anywhere, but outside the draw function.
Okay, ma'am. I'll write here.
Press enter and write. Yeah, that's okay. Yes. Now you have it.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
We made the ball move. Now, if I want to move it in the opposite direction or in some other direction, what will you do?
Other direction. Other direction.
Yeah.
I have to increase the number,
What will
ma'am.
you
Plus
change?
1 or plus 2. The number.
No.
Plus 1 or plus 2.
No. No.
Okay. So what I
You need to change the sign. When you make the
Which
plus
sign,
sign
ma'am?
into minus, the plus one, can you see plus one
Okay.
sign? Plus. When you make it into
Yeah.
minus, it will change
So
its direction.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, if I want to increase the speed, what will I do?
Now we have to increase the number, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, keep the sign as plus and keep the sign as 1. Back to
Keep the sign
original.
as?
Back to original. Keep it plus and keep it 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Plus 1. Plus 1. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are done here. Okay. Now
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
learn in the next classes. So what do you do? Go to file option on the top.
File. Okay, ma'am.
Duplicate.
Duplicate. Okay.
Yes. Control S.
Control. Hello.
Press Control S. Save your project.
Okay, Control S. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now again file option.
Again, file option.
Click on share.
Okay.
Copy second link.
Full screen, ma'am.
Second one. Copy the second link. Give a click on the link.
Okay, present.
Give a click on the link. Yes, now
Okay.
copy.
Copied. Yes, ma'am. Copied.
Yes. Now go to the right. See on your right hand side, there's an empty box. Yeah. And on your right hand
Enter
side,
your
there will be an
project,
empty box. Yes. Enter there and submit.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Now turn on your camera.
Yes.
Hope it will work
Yes.
better. It won't lag.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Better now. Yes, Abdul. Now, are you aware of the course?
Where can I see my project, ma'am?
You'll get it on your registered mobile number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Or maybe an email will be
Okay.
there. Alright?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me, Abdul, do you know that what you are going to be learning in the course when you join it? No. You may not be knowing, I know it. So can I have your parents join us? Any one of them, I'll brief them, or shall I brief you? What do you say?
Ma'am, my parents are sleeping right now. So my mother's phone also is with
Okay.
me. She's sleeping right now. My father also is sleeping
So I'll
because from
brief you.
morning he was.
I'll brief you.
What, ma'am?
Okay. I'll brief you about the course then.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll tell you about the course to you. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it okay? Then you
No
inform
problem, ma'am.
them
Okay, ma'am.
that what. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So Abdul, we basically follow a project-based learning philosophy. All right. Like after every class, you'll be
Yes, ma'am.
receiving a project to complete.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Yes. And the course is structured into 3 modules. The first module is of 8 classes. The second module is of 48 classes, and the third one is for 144 classes. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. In the third module, you will be learning programming while designing games. You will be writing a code to build a Pong game. Okay. And along with that, you will
Okay.
also be building all the games which I showed you. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And after that, you'll be receiving a certification of game development.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is about the first module, and we also provide after you complete this module, we also provide an email about the guidelines of how to publish your game on the Play Store.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Yes. So this is about the
Yes, ma'am.
first module, and this in the second module you will be learning native app design and development. Okay. In that you'll be creating apps
Okay.
through a modern app development framework which is called as React Native. So it basically deals with apps of
It is called as
Android and React Native. It
React.
basically deals
Okay, ma'am.
React Native. Okay.
React Native.
REACT.
Type it, ma'am.
React. REACT. Do you want me to type it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you noting it down somewhere?
Yes, ma'am. After that. Okay, React Native. Okay, ma'am. React Native.
Okay. Yes. I said share your screen with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So in the third module, you'll be dealing with creation of apps, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And one example I have, go to student activity number 9.
Student activity number 9.
It says Book
Yes, ma'am.
Santa app. Yes. So this is an app. This is an example of the app which you'll be building. So it basically consists of the features of registering the user. Then you can provide the description of whatever book you want, and then you can issue that book. You can also share it with your friends, relatives, and the friends and relatives will receive a notification regarding it. So these are all of the features that the app contains. Am I clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is about the
ma'am.
second module. And in the third module, you will be dealing with data. You'll be exploring data and using data to make complex decisions. In that, you'll be learning Python programming, a few machine learning and AI. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
An example of the app is on activity number 7.
Yeah, sentiment.
It says sentiment analyzer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it's basically a rating app, like when you provide a feedback of any kind and submit, it converts your input into rating. Yes,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
it contains, yeah. So it's all about that. It contains of some AI.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is all about the modules and all about the app. And come back to your
Okay,
panel.
ma'am.
Yes.
Where, ma'am?
Yeah, on the panel. Stay there. And see on
Okay.
activity number 8. There's a video of one of the students who has created an app. Okay. You can see his video if you want.
Okay. I have to see now, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You if you want you can see it or you can see it afterwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about the app. For any queries and any doubts, our academic counselor will contact you within 24 hours after the class.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay,
come
ma'am.
back to the panel.
Okay.
Yes. So this is all about the course. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just have your points. I give you 10 points for great persistence, 10 points for creatively
Okay, ma'am.
solving activities, and another 10 points for strong concentration. Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Well,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. So hope to see you. Yes,
What,
Abdul?
ma'am? What, ma'am?
Hope to see you in more classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So do inform your parents about the course. Yeah. And when I end
Okay,
the
ma'am.
class, do not close the page. Do not close the page.
Okay.
Our entire curriculum along with the details will be automatically displayed on your panel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See you then. Take care. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. How was your class? Great. Tell us what you like. Teacher activities. Good. ESP monkey. Then 100,000. Mm.